Hi children, good morning to all. Welcome back to our English classroom. How do you feel today? Yes, very good. And what we discussed in the previous classroom? Yeah, we just discussed that one, how to introduce yourself. I hope that now you are able to write the topic yourself. Am I correct? Okay. And today we will discuss about the question answers from lesson 1, which is our first lesson. Yes, Growing Up, written by Sushmika Malik. And what we have learned from this chapter? Yes, what are the changes happen to our body from a newborn baby to a younger one? And we already discussed that one. Some things that will change when we are growing, but some things that does not change when we are growing. And what are the changes happen to our body when we are growing? Yes, the shape of our face will change, and our height and our weight, that also will change. But some things that does not change when we are growing. What are the things? Yes, very good. The color of our hair, the color of our eyes, and what? Yeah, if you have any birthmark on your body, that also will remain the same. What do you mean by birthmark? Birthmark is a permanent mark on your body from birth itself. If you have any mark on your body from the birth, that will remain the same, that we can call birthmark. Okay. So shall we move to the question answer session? Okay, very good. So the first question is, what are the things that do not change when we are growing? Do you know the answer? Yes, very good. The color of our hair, the color of our eyes, that also do not change when we are growing. And one more thing was that if you have any birthmarks on your body, that also remain the same. So the first question is, what are the things that do not change when we are growing? So the answer is, the color of our hair and eyes do not change when we are growing, and the birthmarks on our body, that also will remain the same. Okay. Lesson 1, Growing Up, question and answers. The first question, what are the things that do not change when you grow up? Once more, what are the things that do not change when you grow up? Answer, the color of our hair and eyes do not change when we grow up. Our birthmarks also remain the same. So the first question is, what are the things that do not change when you grow up? Answer, the color of our hair and eyes do not change when we grow up. Our birthmarks also remain the same. Got it? So dear children, do you think at any time you and your friend look the same in some ways? Yes, some common characters are there in our, for example, both if you just compare you with your friend, at that time you can feel both of you have two eyes, both of you have one nose, both of you have two ears, and both of you have one mouth. Am I correct? Sometimes your height and weight will be the same because you are studying in the same class. But these are the common things that will look the same when you are comparing with your friend. For example, two eyes, two ears, one nose, one mouth, etc. You and your friend look the same in some way, so we want to find out the thing. So our second question is also that one. So please listen. Second question, you and your friend look the same in some ways. Name two things that make you look the same. Once more, you and your friend look the same in some ways. Name two things that make you look the same. Here I have written the answer. Answer, two eyes, one nose, one mouth, and two ears. Two eyes, one nose, one mouth and two ears. Maybe you can include your height and weight if that is the same. So children, what we discussed today? Yeah, we just gone through the question answer from lesson 1. So the first question is, what are the things that do not change when you are growing? What is the answer? Yeah, the color of your hair and your eye, and one more is your birthmark, that also will remain the same when you are growing. And the second question is, you and your friend look like the same in some ways. Name any two things you look like the same. So what we can write the answer? Yeah, surely we can write two eyes, one nose, one mouth and two ears. So hope you got it. And what you want to do? I just attached the PDF of these notes of the lesson, and you want to write the notes in your 4-line notebook. You want to write that neatly. Okay. Then what? You just write and study the question answer in the rough book, and after that your parents will take a test paper of lesson 1. I also attach the test paper of lesson 1 with this class. Your parents will take the test paper and they will also give you the mark. So all the best. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye.